Good morning guys, Hello Baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, it's all morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. So anyway, today my intro starts here. And actually, it's a bright morning and had the cock making noise right there. So they're buying and selling of the hens there. So anyway guys, on today's videos are very special. And guys, in case you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Love is so free. So today, my last night I didn't sleep because it keep pushing me to wake up in the morning like this to see what's going on. And I'm in Border Town with my bike here. Let me show you. This is my bike here. And on that shop, I came to pick the surprise, which the last 2 days we make some bookments from Nairobi. So actually yesterday came and then our day bounced. So right here, the selling of hens over here. We have some cock here, the big one. Chinoni chao. Kwani siku hizi ulihama hapa? I'm telling you, cock. We have here some. Sasa nenka. Irengu good. Once. 10,000 this. 5 each.
It's okay.
This is some kind of the business over here.
No,
in Border Town. Either you make profit or loss. If you make loss, you will not engage on this business. So here is to make the profit day by day as a businessman. Let me check this guy here. Today no jokes. We have gas cylinder here. Hey, today is today guys. I must. Fred, unajua nini? Unaitoa kwa box.
Imeshafungwa.
Zinafungwaje? Zishafungwa ama ishafungwa?
Imeshafungwa.
Moja. Sasa wewe ungefunga zote nichague.
Mpaka imekufa.
Kwani moja ilikuja?
Hata ililipiwa Nissan. Zote zilikuja kwa lori.
Sine. Only one bicycle. But you are a good friend of mine. Say hello.
Hello.
Introduce yourself.
You good?
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm Rashid here.
Yeah?
I'm Rashid here.
Rashid.
Yeah, selling products. Electronics.
Guys, one day I want to become a businessman. To have this system here. Bought 2 speakers and mixer. Bought 2 speakers goes to $1,000 and mixer. Mixer is this one here. So I can able to make some music in Paris season. I get money. Wow. So on today I came on a good time. So no anything to hide back or behind. Hey. Hey. You see guys this? I'm telling you, when I have this system, 2 speakers and mix and generator, maybe the end of the month I could make a lot of money. I'm telling you, and it's premium. One day. So guys, I'm giving him time to take everything outside, and I wanna see that bicycle. So mseti iya kimbia vizuri mtana mpaka tuende kwa mangi. Yeah. Kwa nini ulisema eti ni kichwa tu anakuja wanafunga?
Hii hata ikija kwa box. Ilikazio ilifungiwa kule. Nimwambia hicho.
Oh yeah, Victor. Acha toka mbele kandi wabono muraba bagitunguru.
Nairobi zilikuwa hazipo no.
Okay. Say hello.
Hello.
Jordan.
Jordan bana.
You good?
Unafanya nini? Jeshi.
Combat.
Jeshi.
See the combat.
Hey.
You good?
I'm good.
How was everything, man?
Everything is fine.
Oh, you go. So here it's Border Town, and most of the shop they're engaging in business.
Yes, click on meeting. Yeah.
It's a fridge, refrigerator. No problem, guys. I'm telling you guys. Kumbe mse tunakuwa hivyo na kazi. Sasa zikisha kama mtu anadhani kwamba hakuna kazi.
Bosi.
Wewe kwa banki yako ifanyi. Nikwambie ukweli. Kwa banki yake ifanyi. Inachaji simu moja inaisha moto. Ifanyi. Ada fresh. I'm just greeting people. Guys, remember. These are real business here. Sasa nakwambia kweli sana. These are real business. This shop and this alternate. They sell same price, same stuff inside here. No, kama mara hata kumwele 10,000 no bohene. Hata kumweze 10,000 ziko sawa. Unalipoa ngapi? Well guys, so msaidia suta yangu kapo nikuje kuiona. Achi kapo nikuje kuiona. I want to take my people around and then I'll come back. Okay. Right now.
Okay.
These are refrigerator. Hirenga bro.
Sasa moja.
When I came with 28,000 or 25? 25?
25?
When I came with $200, I can get this fridge.
No. This one is that. If you don't have
no negotiation price.
If you don't have that, go pay your brother's school.
Okay, thank you, bro. But one day I will have that in my house. I'm telling you. Hi, guys. Let me take you in this border town and see. So actually, it's morning. That's why I'm saying ukweli. It's early morning over here, and on the other side you have the bank. So let me take you around and see what is going on here. What's popping? This border town for you. Border town for you. We have Target supermarket here. I'm taking you around. Let me see. It's a business town here and there. It's even the pulling of here. So guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about the fish. On the comment section, what do you think about on today's vlog. And I think today I'll take you to the bus station within here. I'm going this way, telling you, see, right, left, center. People are working so hard to put something on the table here. On this side we have the mattress, we have the mat. At the same time on this side here, if maybe you want to buy a mattress, duvet, blanket, come on this shop and maybe promote the business here and there. These are really hustling here. Business everywhere. Telling you, see. Sunny squeeze it. Wow. Anyway guys, make sure you subscribe, leave this comment, and let me know in the comment section guys, what do you think about on today's vlog. So here they're making a metal box, means back to school. So this is the bus station for you. I'm telling you, I want to take you to the bus station. If you came from Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, you would have been stopping here. So within here, we have Guardian, we have Easy Coach, we have Nyamira. You see, this is Guardian. We have Easy Coach here. I'm telling you, and it means people already came from Nairobi. Right here we have Nyamira. So within here is a bus station. Some business going on here. Look, we have another bus. Motorbike are waiting people to pick here and there. I'm telling you. And during daytime maybe we use this. During daytime we use this to go to Migori. Maybe daytime, but at night time you're supposed to use a bus, any bus. Let me take you around. Today's a market day. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky. Today's a market day. So right here. They are buying, selling of clothes. Then here. Yeah? Vipi? Wasemaje? Mimi niko kazi yangu asubuhi.
Kwaje?
Kopoa kabisa. Mara tu umekuwa
mkubwa. Usineke station wewe.
Mara tu umekuwa mkubwa.
Usineke station.
Haya. So guys, today is a market day. So here they sold second-hand clothes, shoes. You see, people are outside, guys. Look on the other side, going that way. Eh, hiya. Hey, guys. It's according to your energy, guys. So they are choosing clothes which are coming from Nairobi. Hey, hey. It's a real business. Sasa mbona wataenda na nguo zenu? And things like this, they finish up.
Unatoa nguo katikati yetu unampa mwingine. Tunakuona.
I'm telling you guys, these are real hustling here. So they want to choose according to the price. Oh guys, let's go. This means to block, we must pay tax. So guys, let's go and see. So at least I'm showing you where the country bus is and the market taking place. And today, I'm lucky enough on today's videos. So I came on good time. Whoa. I'm telling you, some buses are riding here like crazy. Here and there. So guys, actually, try to imagine I was going round and then coming back, taking straight. So let's see, because I met that guy, he was maybe open immediately, and then imagine guys, wow, it's crazy. So he opened and only one bicycle at Nairobi. Let's go. Kids are riding bicycle very in the morning. Let's go guys and see. So I give enough time for that young man to take everything outside, and then I want to see my bicycle today because I supposed to surprise my brother like 2 days back, but because of time here and there and delaying of our stuff, so we need to postpone. But actually today my brother will get that gift. Mom, thank you so much, but keep supporting my brother so she doesn't have clue what is going on. And for me, I buy a nice bicycle for him. So the work is to enjoying riding, going to school, coming back in good time. You know what I mean? So let's go, let's do this. When I was coming from other side, heading this way, so right now let me use this shortcut. Have a dog here. Another business on this back. Telling you, this is the back of Border Town. So I'm trying to use a shortcut. Don't want to go on the other side. Let me use this side. And have the copyright here, music. So I must be running. Pop, pop, pop. Music. Listen. I don't want copyright. Copyright is illegal. Dura. Ni suri sana bro. Vipi, mbona unafanya mambo ya kiki? Sitoe mzigo chapu nje. Afura rero makuntegere 500. Wapi? Iko huko juu?
Joli tunza. Hakuna duka liko wazi sasa.
Dave, James ndo alitunza. Ama atakuja ameikalia. Okay guys. Let me be honest time myself to hit that bicycle. Umeiendesha? Guys, ni mabicycle. Haina mudguard.
Sasa hivyo ndo zinakuja.
Sasa ndio break ya disk mlisema. Ndio break ya disk mlisema.
No.
Gani? Nimeona. Ndio break ya disk. Wekiage. Ndio hapa tuelezane vizuri.
Sasa ongea mpe.
Ndio break ya disk.
Nisikie mpaka saa 6 na receive. Nenda nimeficha pale. Unajua nimelipa 100 kulala pale. Si bure.
Ndio break ya disk.
Pelekea fundi ya kazi hata tu launch kwanza.
Launch na si yangu. Ndio nakuulizaje?
Sasa hapo kamera nirudishie. Na Mungu mmoja nimelipa watchman.
Wewe ongea na bosi wako. Ndio break wa disk.
Lakini kweli binadamu hawana
Sikia hata video. Tego kivile kwa tena.
Ndio naiona. Nimelipa 100. Ilali pale. Nimelinda mpaka asubuhi. Nijaibiwa. Nimelala lakini nalala robi. Ndio isikie kweli.
Basi kidogo tumsi. The bicycle for my brother.
Here, don't get here.
Yeah. Mseti. Kana bana unijibu. Ndio break wa disk. Guys, I'm from Boya Town, so I came to check the bicycle. Actually, so let me go and see my brother so they can unbox it surprise by itself. And I wake up in the morning, guys, so that is it. Here we go. It's early morning over here. You can see this. Today the weather is shining. Me, I want to show you guys how things are easy in my village here. That's Napier grass. My brother, guys, because I wake up in the morning while everybody's sleeping, so to see the gift. Oh, guys. Guys, make sure you leave the sweet comment there on the comment section below. So I left the tarmac road this way. Actually, I'm using this. Up to home. Whoa. So today's today, guys. Nothing hide anymore. And I've already checked the bicycle. Imagine, guys. So that's what we ordered. Actually, I'm so grateful Oh, we have the dump site here. So I think my brother could enjoy the ride here and there. It's a nice bicycle by itself, and for me, I'm so proud of my family because 100% I support my family a lot and a lot, you know. So I can't complain anything. So right now, let's go, guys. That's how everything it is here. And guys, on today's vlog, it starts in Border Town. So maybe people ask me, hello baby, what's up? What's today? What's popping? Man, I'm telling you, today I decided to start in Border Town. In Border Town. Make sure that, guys, you leave the sweet comment, subscribe. Don't skip any ads. That's the best way you can support the Hello Baby Official here. So to chase my dream day by day. Let's go and see. Wow. We have a Chifa school here, right here. Let's go, guys. And the good thing about me, I never told my brother what's going on. I just do a random bara. Yesterday, I only told my mama, and that is it. We have the shop here. Oh guys, today it's on Saturday. It's a servant day, and we have the church right there. I hope you had the church. That's SDA. So let me go and see my brother. Long time waiting, guys. Finally, the surprise by itself is here. Actually, guys, it's a nice bicycle by itself. We have a sharp corner here. So he can enjoy by riding here and there. Kano wonto no homa imenchi bichafu wanongo. They put some acidic water which smells bad. So guys, I'm keep going home right now and to see what's popping, what's going on. For me, no idea on this, I'm telling you. No idea. Wait. Sure. Kana Robi. Naona homa imenchi bigundo kenu yuko. Inkamaga nani kikurutama bigichicho. So kibona babara chapu chokonto kor. So guys, I left my bike here. So the work is going on. Kano was hikiri kare. It's right here. Rochero and Karumas. Say hello. Pagamba hello. Gonna afford. 2 men at work. Tende panoka hepono. Magane kasin kuigiria abantu. Egasinkurigire abantu bado kuhagacha bora Kenya na magena.
Egasinkurigire abase.
Hey.
Sikinda ene muradi go kora sige no gwa.
Alright guys.
Iga? Efaida hariyo?
Harim.
Haruwe.
Efaida here na many job. I'm creating job to some people in my village here, bro.
Kuna kitu kama hiyo murano no koreka. Tunaumia boss, angalia vile tumekuwa.
Oi.
Kwanza monkeys.
What are you talking?
Tafari hano kumujenga.
Oi. Hai.
Mono. Tafari hano kuko.
Tomaso yajenga igoro.
Tomeka keta ijimu ya soha.
Yani ngoto toka metarimero kame.
No kugotoka.
Tegori simu mai. Tarimero kame.
Mungu mmoja alipenda na mazoezi kanda malito.
Bwana ambanga kutimke twengi kingadi. Hatu tunutuhire kingadi my friend. Are you serious? Stop nonsense my friend.
I'm kidding. Guys, I'm back home after from Border Town. I passed there to my neighbor. I see the huge progress is going on, and actually almost to finish our target. So right now I came to check my brother here, and we want to end to Border Town. So and you know the bicycle, if they are new, they need to be tight the bolts and gear here and there. So actually let me see my brother right here. Wow. Bruno to the world. You good? Hey, my sister here. Say hello.
Hello.
Both of you say hello at once. Say hello kwa pamoja.
Hello.
Yes, that's my cousin. That's my sister.
Anyura sora sati kanda angikangia karusi.
Ike?
Anyura sora sati.
Ike mwasekera.
Asante.
Kana.
Ande kala.
Akaburuka. Ora kutubira bona akaburuka.
Mama is speaking. Mama say hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Hey, nowadays perfect, mom. You know how maybe to respond. This is how we cook chapat right there with the pan. That's my brother. So your day is today. So we want to go, but I finish up. Mama onturicha nchikendi changu kopani sukari. So guys, I'm just sitting here and I'm hungry like a goat, guys. Kwani sasa na mgosa karati kujisa.
Agonte beno swali yendi buru.
Naen.
Yeri kurage. Kanda karwaga pigire torofundi.
Nimende magano mugoncho kumbe. Ah, está. Na tonere. Amino come na rore kwanza. Fire is like. You see guys right there. Oh. My brother is on the steering. It's good to help your mama.
Tabu kibitimba.
Here and there. Yeah, also.
Nenda akora mutacha kukana.
Ta baby kiti bila kiti bia biri. Sasa bia biri abisi. Kadem. So kutu no ichi bichu help hapa.
Tenda chipa juice.
Usaga mpala.
Hey guys, mama, today I'm surprising my brother.
Eh.
So he's supposed to ride a bicycle going to school, coming back.
Akaranchira no bahira.
Mbako bagodo.
Tokore demo.
Nowadays, mama, you eat chapati. Welcome to my mom's house. So yesterday I bought my sister this chart. So read here. Fungua. So start reading. Anza kusoma.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17.
Anza hapa.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 8,
Anza hapa vizuri. And then I'll make sure.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 100. 100.
Nice guy. Perfect. Rudisha huko watakupigia msumari.
Ilitoka jana nikisoma.
Weka huko tutakuwekea. I'll come and then I pin you on the wall so she can able to read. Guys, I'm so happy. My sister, she know how to count from number 1 up to 100. You heard from the videos, I'm not blagging things. Imagine, guys, when she gets good education, and I'll make sure she gets good knowledge and educated where she know how to read, man. Imagine at this age. And back here, as our age, like my sister, you can't know how to read. Imagine 1 up to 10, it's a hectic. But nowadays, we give my brother and sister good knowledge. Let them to really and doing some stuff. So I will buy for you 1 chart for ABCD up to Z, and then for mathematics. Want to use yes, step by step. Actually, anajua kusoma 1 mpaka 100. Unajua kuandika 1 mpaka 100 bila kuibia. Utaandika siku nyingine.
Mpaka 50 kweli wa 100.
Kandi leo nipanga naandika kwa homework ya PPT.
Kwanda kandi ono manyira lakini ukura kwa mpaka 50 umanyira.
As long as you eat good, study hard. So I'm keep improving you step by step. You're ready to finish?
Yeah, this is the last one.
This is the last one. And guys, this chapati here, I'm telling you, on the hot pot. Alright. So let's go because of time. Let's go. Mama no hurry pan. Bye.
Bye.
Right, guys. I think, guys, I supposed to wear the jacket. Okay, bring my jacket as we go. Aina mama kuchote maji nileteni kunywa. Mama kuchote maji nileteni kunywa. Mengi kwa kikombe kikubwa. Yeah, guys. Sham supposed to take water right now. In Chincheo. Okay, guys, sorry. My brothers bring for me a jacket. And then the reason why I changed the shirt, that one's too heavy, plus jacket. So I need to wear this one. Wow. So it's time to go. And then imagine I need to go, like to cross the border town. I went to Tanzania to make for the service here and there. So they wanna give me a receipt and everything as we go. Because last time I was being in charge with my sister's bicycle. So I don't like. Can't wait to see my brother's reaction. Ngucharis, nguretara manji sikohan. Wow. So I'm waiting my brother right now, guys. Let me check my birds which came to camp here. Day by day, guys, I came to check my birds, and it came and camp here. And for me, I'm shocked. Right now, it's not a season of maize plantation, but it's camping here, singing the song, singing melodious song. So, guys, anyway, let me take you what. Gekombe. Statia na kyo. Hey guys, this is water here. Oh, it's time to wear the jacket. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet in the border town. So my brother to unbox that surprise and then take them to the service here and there, and then they wanna start riding. I hope from Monday we ride to school. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Right. Well, guys, we're heading border town with my brother. He doesn't have any clue what is going on, but I have already told him. So let me see the reaction for the first time. So I'm outside with my baby. Right now, although the speedometer is not reading, but I will slow the vibe to the end. As one family, we're outside, guys. So I'm remaining with this brother. The rest, the other one is studying in university. So maybe he will be here in April. Let's go. Hey, the road is coming. See that road? We need to cool down. Guys, right now it's a bad day on this road from home. People pour some water here, bad water. Amajabu kwa tema uruani. Tambuya. Ahora mano msiwati. Unini jobu unde. So guys, let's go up to border town. Heading this way. Tunutirenya mahara guys. Wow. As a Pro Box. It's a nice view from this corner here. Yeah. Road. Ne para. Wow. Guys, to be honest, I carry one of our dad at the back. Hey, Victor. Ramanuku ya. Anaona mkiri komalimenti migundo kwa barabara. Bora yanga tahu cahaya mana mungkin sekolah mana. Ah. Kami sini barabara tahu ni tanaman. Atanya bawa sini ndo chende wera steve sekolah. Para homora. Wow. Kamu dah sini mencari kuhutono. Oh, bayo. Ah, begini. Hambara bicuco. Wow. We almost hit the tarmac road right now. Aku tak tahu asal begitu teratur ini. Kalau mau terus kita. Kalau nak aku ke Indo hike. Kau apa? Kau apa hoi? Kita kemana tahu ini. And over here, guys, the cut starts right here. Up to Border Town, guys. Wow. Rezeki bersih banyak kau nak kanapu. Oh, let's go, guys. And over there, that's Roma Catholic Church. There's a hospital here. I'm telling you. So this is a church right here, Roma Catholic Church. Let's go. Up to Border Town. Guys, we're fully outside. So they're making bricks here. Blocks, I mean. We have another one here. Whoa. Guys, make sure you subscribe and like. Drop the sweet comment there. Hey, overloading, guys. Imagine. Crazy. Wow, see that amazing view. Another side here. Wow, that's a road right there. Oh. Hey. Wow. So this is Border Town for you guys. This is a share here. V-Power share. Nice petrol station. On the other side, they're buying and selling of maize. Right here. Hola, bro. We have some trucks here parking, waiting for the commodities. See even this one right there. This Border Town for you guys. And actually, it's a bright morning here. You see, guys, people outside put something on table. There's one boy selling eggs, that one crossing the road there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Border town for you. And over here we have the police post, known as Banya police station. Wow, they're selling cabbage right there. So guys, food for the cow. It's a quiet morning today, and I'm showing you that's Cooperative Bank and Equity Bank. We have two banks at a different name at one place right there. I'm kind of shocked how they are making business there at the same time. They are selling chairs right there. Coach. That's where I bought some tiles on that tall building on the underground floor. Whoa. Oh yeah. There's one crowd calling. We have Total petrol station here. Come on to the world. Atulinda sekera eza mbezi hayo. Swaje vonu hikire. Hai. It's Border town. Yeah. So guys, finally we are in Border town, as you can see right here. So with my brother Mondole, with the client. You're the client, don't say.
No, I'm the seller.
You're the seller.
client is there. Yes.
Leta mzigo sasa.
Yeah.
Hey. Bring the bicycle so my brothers they can check and confirm, and we take for the service, like to tie the bolt here and there. Hey. Oh. Hizi ni rasta.
Hizi ni nywele zinajiroli.
Nywele mbaya. So your bicycle is right here. Okay. Bring a receipt because I'm heading to Tanzania.
Another receipt.
How could you pay receipt?
Wait.
Nipe receipt bana. Andika receipt. Ndio niandike receipt. Wewe ndio nipe receipt juu naenda Bongo nikiruhusu taki unifungie.
Leo pita uambie mbona. Naenda kukaza.
Wewe nipe receipt. Wewe
Nenda ukaze urudie kiendesha.
Wewe nipe receipt. Kama mtaki kulipa receipt.
Sio hata hizo vitu zote aendesha akienda kwani ni shida kali.
Akachana.
Ama nataka achane. Alright, because it's brand new. Tangu we receipt mbona. Na new receipt is very important.
Nijaandika nikachana.
Ukadiku kachana wapi? Warondaje ye.
Amna, naweza kuandikia.
Aya. Okay. Unbox and then we take to the service. You unbox here and then you go. Lakini watu wanakusimulia kijiji. Ndio nilikuwa na uwezo wa kukataa kwamba sio hadithi. Lakini vitu kuangalia mambo.
No, ungechana.
Wewe chana. Hataki kwenda tukirudi watusumbue.
Asunyoke na kama utakusumbua.
Unaona ukiwa na karatasi. Ukiwa na karatasi wanasumbua.
Sasa ndo nafanya. Bora angenyoka na. Sasa
inaenda Bongo.
Mtoto kwa beti.
Hiyo makaratasi.
Labda uko.
You unbox because guys the reason why remove this potting paper. When we're going to Tanzania and coming back, they will charge us as a tax. No man to pay tax. Dogo ni wana pura maisha.
Bro, nashukuru mradi yako unakulia baiskeli. Wengine si hata wazazi hawakuli.
So they are unboxing. Na baiskeli kwa nyuma.
Hata sikutoka na bakanga. Inakatoa saa.
Slow, no pay.
Ngejua waache namba ya ulo. Jana mwenye auliza kiboi. Imebadilishwa mara tatu. Gari lifika Sirari lifika Migori. Sisi nimeshachukua watu wa kurudi nje. Watu wamejaa pale, wakabidi wape gari nyingine. Nikachoka. Wakabidi wape gari. Ilifika kwa ilifika Migori. Sisi hapa zishaenda na watu wote. Asi zirudi empty hapa. Migori watu wao. Wakabidi wape mtu wa Probox. Kumpe mtu wa Probox na akaniambia.
Ndio maana kuna uchunguzi ati imejigwara marange.
Wakanichaji. Wewe nikapeja magari kwa 50 na haya mlinzi wewe nilipea 100.
For this, we take this bicycle, like to tie the bolt and everything, to adjust brake, and then putting maybe air inside the tire, and we go, guys. So stay tuned. Dogo tahingira tree. Konde bongo. Ushikie sawi. Ona saya huyu imeanguka. So imagine. Tanzania tuko atagera hana kana hiyo. So we take them to Tanzania right now. Achore. It's a brand new bicycle, guys. It's Border Town for you. Imagine you are taking them to Tanzania right now for the service, and I know how to make some good service here and there. You can see right there. So guys, when you go back home, you will see my brother riding the bicycle. So they must put these tires on the center and doing everything, you know. Wow. Nothing to hide. Drop the shit comments. I'm outside with my brother. Oh, the tuk-tuk is right there. And make sure, guys, you subscribe. Probably. Kwani unaniambia?
Hata nikia kilo kwa mkambi.
Murota gotera. Sira bwana na gole 19. 15. We have town goats right there. Imagine, guys, we are crossing the border, no passport, we're crossing illegally. It's because we do some business between two countries, Kenya and Tanzania. So no problem on that. But I know at time big to you are maisha. Sasa ni mbebe tu ingi guido. Enorme. So guys, I'm almost to cross the border, and we can't allow my camera to rotate there. So just within here. Wow, just there. Let me close my camera. Guys, right now we are in Tanzania, so we cross the border just within here. So we're going this way. Yes, we are in Tanzania right now. So crossing the boundary is not easy as you can. Let's do this. Hey. Kanya once we go ahead. We are within Tanzania right now. So the bicycle is new, but I will need to make some adjustment, setting of the gear here and there. Nataka tutemukiru wako. Atenda kuhega mdogo mdogo. Buya waraita tabari mwaka mpya. Kazi yao. Nonongore bona kyora akore. Yeah. Ah. 12. Wata mokora yaragende. Hangan 6, hangan 7 ni tamanya. Kana menka goro musanga no itore yare tetab. Ese yene nevende. Iyo ambere kidogo eh. Tanya shambia nyuma twende kazi. You see guys, it's touching here. So the one to fix, putting on the center. Look, see here? We have Serengeti Tower here. Boat hotel, barber shop, saloon. It's combination of the business. Hey, I can't wait to see your reaction riding the bicycle. How do you feel?
I feel so good.
And how do you say somebody? How do you maybe recognize for the somebody who maybe made it possible?
So the somebody who make me up to now to feel like that. I wanna say thank you so very much. May God bless him. Everything he wants, he wanna get. Don't give up supporting. Also you are supporting.
Guys, imagine a day like this. My brother couldn't believe, but it's by God's grace. And Mom, I want to say thank you so much for keep supporting my family here and there, and the rest of my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support the Yellow Baby Official. And daily by daily, I'm trying to improve my family. Haki ole siku nyingi. Lakini achora antu angu go bei.
Tunyiva.
Yeah, nakuiba. Nakuiba.
Kero mbete ukore hasi. Haya mbo.
Nuniakari kangu kuretira gatatu. Bado ndase kuretira yeni. Kama na hotel ndigiri bidonge chiraba wanga pana kenda. Chidis.
Si wanachonga Kenya.
Unajua ni raba gani? Tunaona pikipiki ya Tanzania sina breki wa mbele wa disc. Hizi raba za ndani.
Wanachonga muita Kenya pale.
Si kama huu tata. Si kama huu. Pikipiki ya bongo ni disc ya mbele. Sio hizi raba za ndani. Hey.
Sio pale kwa Sharifa maana ya Sharifa.
Umano kambaka Sharifu ndachongo te mkiame mbono ngendo ndetero tazo.
Nielekea kwa kuna mtu alichonga hapo. Sio ni wapi.
Yes guys, it's to put these tires at the center. For me guys, I recommend to come in Tanzania in terms of basically making services. I normally come here. And since I was having my bicycle, I know the advantage to make the bicycle here. Yeah? What's Sambere?
Sambere.
Wewe uge toro kukiri.
Ya wasambe.
Alhamisi nilichoke turishi madigadi. Kwamba nano hangane hepa.
Sio hapo kushini.
Nilichari Hamisi ke turishi madigadi. Everything's brand new here. Wabona nore side shauri yako. That is my sign. See right now, it's rolling. Yeah. Guys, I'm so tired. Let me have a seat and then we progress from there. So right now it's tight, or just the gear. Gear cable! What no actually giri kata ka? Gusto na nyo hiron ni John Tate. What I mean? Ayo. So now I'm just here. This gear. Hey, you to answer a second hand and number sent. Or what you have?
100 kilos.
Kira kenge tayri se kenga hen kira kenge. Umetola 30. Mbona ikiwa mwenyewe? Alright guys, I have a nice scotch right there. How to see them? Ani hano eha lazima tugure vidonge tutora hivi.
Unajua kuna siku yako
Sira kuishi kama wikae kustochi levo
Chukua.
so no is to adjust the steering. Vino vere vo vesire. Ani kama kino ora goto gete kire.
Yara me kara vya gunda. Gunda me.
To na second hand on tora kire kembe. Ha?
Kitana kibona.
Guys, we are in the border of Tanzania. So right here, they don't want you to record the videos within here. Guys, that's the feeling for my brother. So right now, he was enjoying and launching in this border town as we go. So you ride this road, no pressure, and you hey, booyah. Nene bigi hara. Right. So you must be very careful. Maona na usichukue lole me. Initially, back years, I was having a mountain bicycle, a nice one. So my brother ride and know how to ride. So right now you see, he'll never struggle anymore. Ayo kugigo, ama harambe. Baby guys, I'm in front of my brother. Go point up. All right, so let's go. Ni sawa. Bye. Anyway guys, thank you so much for the love and support. Keep supporting me by watching my videos every day and all the time. Positive vibe. Look, that's my brother. Right now he's enjoying. Okay, careful. Very careful. So be careful, that road is coming. Damn. That road want to go this way. Twende mbele. Narudi. Kidogo. Na pikipiki. So he riding. So it was my very impression to see my brother riding a day like this, which God have granted us. No pressure. Let's go. You ride. And you must be very careful. Na pikipiki. Okay. So be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Right. You make sure you don't knock the people's can motorbike. You ride slow. So how do you feel? You ride as you go, or I take you in a motorbike?
No, I'm in line when I go.
Okay, I'll catch you. You go. Alright. My brother is riding, and he don't want to sit on my motorbike. Probably because of that moods and feeling, you know. So let me say hi to these people as I go. Hey. So thank you so much. The bicycle is okay. So right now I'm heading home, and my brothers keep riding the bicycle.
Hello.
Bye, bro. Right, guys, it's good to say bye because we make a deal from Nairobi up to here. I get a bicycle, I made everything, so it's time to go back home. My bike's right here, so stay tuned, guys. Guys, me, I'm going home. I left my brother in Border Town, so he was coming slowly with his bicycle. At that time I feel so crazy. I told him, let me carry on my motorbike to save time. He said, no, you go. I'm coming slowly at my own pace. And I know it's because of the new stuff and having that mood, you know. So probably let me go home and to put something on table, actually 100%. I'm telling you. I'm totally hungry like a goat, so I'm rushing home, and you know. So guys, try to imagine when you are a kid and maybe somebody or your parent bought for you a gift. You don't want to eat still the whole day. Like for my brother, they will enjoy. Imagine. So guys, I'm going back home. Wow. So as I eat the breakfast, sports car right there. A woman riding a bike. It's incredible story from here. Wow. So that's how I go with my bike. Technically, I feel so good. Wow. So right now I left the tarmac. I'm using this road here. Wow. That's how we go home, guys. But at this video, we never long. It could be a short video from here until you meet me home. We have the sharp corner here. At the same time, I need to hoot. I'm going at my own pace. No hurry, guys, on this. No hurry on this. Wow, beautiful place, beautiful view. You can tell in the comment section. No, this is how life it is in my village here. And as I keep going home, I will use a shortcut. I will pass at Cloud Joseph home as I go home. Because that being said, I'm hungry. I can't take long distance. Whoa! Guys, I'm outside to chase my dream here and there. Actually, I'm so proud of myself, what I'm doing to my family, and maybe one day my video will pay off and I'll start enjoying myself. So right now, I'm going. I'm passing Cloud Joseph Place. As a shortcut. I'm telling you. Look where I'm heading to. Sema hello. Kienda hivi. Na wageni. Hai basi useme hivi. Kwa barabara. I'm telling you guys. I'm passing Cloud Joseph home and I meet you. Man, Cloud, you greet me when I'm going to Border Town.
Yes.
How was everything?
Everything's fine.
Introduce yourself for the first time, maybe.
Yeah, welcome back to Hello Baby's YouTube channel. In case I'm new there, guys. Hi everyone. First, welcome back to Hello Baby's YouTube channel. In case I'm new there, consider subscribing, liking, sharing the videos. My name is Manu Cloud, and if you're new, Manu Cloud.
All right.
Yeah,
Come closer.
Manu Cloud. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg you. And I'm road to 2K subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. Do so, and I really appreciate for love and support.
Did you study with my brother?
No, I mean he's like
he was
he's
ahead
front
of
on
you.
me. Yeah, he's ahead of me.
Okay, I think maybe you are studying together as a classmate, or maybe he was ahead of you, like one class.
Yeah.
Right, that is it.
Yeah, by now he's ahead of me by one class.
Yeah.
But we are in
the
one
same school.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
So me, I'm going home.
Yeah.
You go and greet Cloud Joseph. I see he has some visitors.
Yes.
So I don't want to stab him.
Yes.
Right.
So,
Me, I'm going home.
yeah, bye.
Yes, bye.
Meet, bro.
Guys, check Man Cloud.
Yes.
Really appreciate for the love and support, guys. Big up. I'm telling you, I use this as a shortcut. Going home. Look where I'm passing, guys. You have a beautiful home. That's a bulletproof house. So I'm passing here on this narrow road. It's shallow or narrow? I didn't understand. So I must be very careful, guys. Here we have the stones. You see? Actually, I'm passing here. See, guys, where I'm heading to. Keep passing here. But recently, guys, we are using this road here. But nowadays, maybe most of the people didn't pass here. Imagine. It's a shallow road or a narrow road. Maybe I think it's a shallow. It's a small. Look. I'm telling you guys, I use this as a shortcut. Within a few minutes, I'll be home. Rather than using long way distance. That's my grandma home. Wow. Let's go back. Finally, I'm home. Here, that being said, I'm using the shortcut. Look how I'm riding. This is where I normally park. Oh. The first thing, if you get out of the motorbike, you take your key, you lock, you take your key, or even the car. You lock, you take your key, you get out. So right now, I'm getting out. So let me have something to eat because it's so late here. Mama kwa? Huh? Ndete baskidishi ni nani kon? Anepeskeri wiki tena. Kama ni unati simungu chaji. Nete maji ni sabuni na. Guys, guys, I'm hungry at the same time. Hey, my mom dried the maize here. You have cassava for brown ugali, for white ugali is maize corn. Let me put my jacket inside. Anyway, guys, welcome to my house. Although today my intro didn't start here, but we follow the vibes. This is how my house looks like, and my inside it's totally like cold. When it's hot outside like this, nipe hiyo. We normally sit here during daytime. So, hey man, thank you. Okay, hold for me this camera. Don't camera. I want to wash my hand, guys. That's soap. My sister served me. Say hello again.
Hello.
Yes. What is your name?
Matanya Boni.
Matanya Boni.
Yeah.
So today I bought my your brother's bicycle, so they didn't disturb you. Nimemlea baiskeli. Asiwana kusumbulira yako, umesikia? Aya. Hold it for me a camera like this. Guys, it's good to wash your hand with soap. This is a soap here for everything. So I want to take chapati right now. Hey, so you do like this, both fingers like this. I think I'm okay. Mwaga ulete mengine. So bring another one. I want to rinse my hand. Mwaga inje. Oh guys, I'm telling you, I feel so hungry. Like a goat. You know when a goat feel hungry, guys, it starts making noise. Okay, bring another one. As I keep waiting my brother. Sichai iko hapa ndani. Aenda mimi mama kupicha uweke chapati. Nipe nioge. Muregule buye nipe. Imagine guys. Even nowadays guys, through you, by supporting me, nowadays my family put something on table, which I really appreciate for the love and support. I can't complain on that. But initially, or back years, we didn't put something on table. A day like this, we didn't eat chapati. We see only chapati on Christmas Day. I'm not blagging things, I'm telling you. And maybe even a day we can spend without eating lunch, you know. At the end of the day, we eat only supper. But we flow with vibe, and I know the situation I came from. That's the reason why I'm working so hard to make sure that my family puts something on the table. Bring chapati. Let me rinse my hands. Oh. Nipe basi kikombe. Unataka kikombe ni mtu.
Tumpe kikombe.
Nao hapa mikono kwanza. Kwani una doli mwingine ukucheze? Na mikono. Okay, wash your hand as you bring my the cup because I'm tired, guys. But I know for the haters they will say, okay, you disturb your sister here and there. I'm tired, I'm telling you. I'm not chapati nere. Unibere. Kichircha hansi chichi hekere.
Kasi wakula kuchukua ranchi wakula.
Umekunywa chai? Kikombe ndo hichi. Oh, makeup. Anyway, guys, let me put the tea here. Whew. Imagine sometime I could go around. Oh, this fermented milk here. I'm telling you, look. Sit down there. Chapati for you. Oh man, tea. There's a milk tea. I'm telling you. Guys, this chapati for you here. And milk tea. Okay. Thank you, Heavenly Father. Bless my food that is in front of my table. When I eat, it gives me more energy. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Guys, it's good fasting to pray for the food that in table. It's by God's grace to put something on table a morning like this. So let me enjoy the food. We'll meet on the next vlog. Look. I only take 2 chapati. This one, this 2, no problem. Very delicious. Guys, let me enjoy my food. We shall meet on the next vlog. I'm waiting my brother, guys. So guys, that's how we dry the maize, corn and cassava. Actually, I finished taking my breakfast. So my brother is inside taking also the breakfast. He was coming right on time. And his bicycle is here. Ibesikia hata wange. Roach. You cannot touch it.
Ora tu ari na musini no ko baba angu ikuna. Sembo bata baturi.
Baturi pressure mango ke.
Roach.
Pin. Ngure kumbe na mama ngana kana. Yanke.
Teiha.
Kumbe na mama ngana kana.
So ko agendra ko wikar.
Tense kitu kumata teso ire sana. Ngure na mama ngana kana kya kora mo yanko brava.
Alright guys, anyway, mama, this is the bicycle for my brother and it's brand new. We have already unboxing in the border town. So we can't go in hatuwezi vuka kwenda Tanzania ikiwa na makaratasi. They will charge us more money as we cross to the border town to Tanzania. So right now this is a brand new bicycle. So I don't want my brother to disturb my sister or bring right here and there. Because there's a time I came and complained. So today he has a new bike. Brand new. Anyway guys, thank you so much. You see the surprise? I was waiting for 2 days. But nowadays, guys, look, it's a brand new. And by bad lucky, you step on a small metallic.
It is
a stapler.
Yeah.
So it breaks your bicycle. It costs a puncture.
Yeah.
So later you go and maybe take to the
the mechanic.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They will. How do you feel?
I'm still so happy
to have a brand new bicycle.
To have a brand new bicycle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I will make my work easier. I will save my time
going to school.
Yeah.
And make sure, if the moment I found you sharing this bicycle with your friends, I'll keep it inside the house. I'm telling you, in front of the camera. I'm telling you, guys, it must be very tough because it's an expensive bicycle. When you maybe giving your friends and then they spoiled, you start crying. Oh, my brother, my bicycle have issues, this and this. Me, I'm telling you, the moment I see you, I'll take this bicycle, I lock into the house. So make sure it take you from here to school, saving time. Imagine you can wake up around 7 a.m. in the morning and you drive to your school ride.
Just 10 minutes.
Lunchtime, only 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And lunchtime, because it's a gear. When coming from school to home, it's kind of a hill. You can put some gears, and I will say to the gears, never remove.
Yeah.
Ride slowly as you enjoy the soft life. If you harash, for example, even me last year 2021, I have the bicycle like this. I ride at a high speed, I knock myself and then I remove the tooth in the tarmac road. I'm telling you, I'm almost to die, but God saved me. And I wish every day, thank God, and for those people who take for me to the hospital, I appreciate for that. Imagine, I found myself in a hospital. I've already done for me service and everything. Imagine. So I'm encouraging my brother, just ride slowly. No pressure.
Yeah.
The best comments for you, no fuel that you're going to put like a motorbike, is to ride as you enjoy. And make sure you finish work at home here and then you start going around, maybe during weekend riding. If I found you in the weekend, your work is to ride a bicycle, you didn't help your mama work, you're in trouble. But anyway guys, I'm not tough enough, but I'm trying to encourage my brother to be a good person and to be a good position. Look, it's a brand new and my mama wonder. Mama, how do you feel? Unajisikiaje?
Vizuri.
So your daughter is having your son is having a bicycle. Also, your daughter Martha Nyaboni has a brand new bicycle.
Eh.
Guys, just over here, I'm not blagging things. On today's vlog, we see my brother unboxing this stuff. Simply because when it have some, it was sealed with a polythene paper, and when you're going to border town, it will bring some conflict or paying money as you cross to the border going to Tanzania. Anyway guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video guys.